ground now! Let me see your hands!
Moving there. Get out of the truck right now with your hands up.
In Las Vegas, Nevada, a homeowner got an alert while out and watched 4 people break into his place through the camera. Now look here at this doorbell footage. 4 people breaking in, completely caught on camera. He called the cops, but no arrests were made. That's not justice. That's HD footage of a crime with 0 consequences. The FBI's 2020 report says there were about 1,117,696 burglaries, making up 16.1% of all property crimes. Burglaries have been going down for 20 years thanks to better home security, people keeping watch, and police strategies. Always enable your camera alerts. On March 4, 2024, in Seattle, Washington, a suspect fleeing police made a critical mistake, going through people's yards full of cameras. Now look here at this doorbell footage. An armed robbery suspect is running from police late at night. He went into people's yards, trying to escape.
On the ground now! Let me see your hands!
How'd he get over? He just crossed over here. He hopped. Go around the side. Hey, down the alley, to your right, behind you, down that alley.
Initially, he managed to get away, but eventually his luck ran out and he was arrested. That's not an escape plan. That's leaving a digital breadcrumb trail. Would you have stayed inside or helped police locate him? Share your footage with authorities. On March 29, 2024, in Northwest Harris County, a man mowing his lawn turned into an action hero when thieves made one fatal mistake, trying to run him over. Now look here at this security footage from Renmark Lane near Cypress Wood Drive. A man was mowing when he saw some guys stealing gear from his truck parked nearby. As they made their getaway and drove past him, they tried to run him over. In defense, he hurled his weed whacker at their car's windshield. The car kept going, but during their escape, one of the thieves was thrown out of the vehicle onto the street. This guy tried to get up but kept falling, especially when the lawn guy came at him with the weed eater. That's not theft. That's instant karma with lawn equipment. He eventually managed to run off and got into a red four-door car waiting nearby. The thrown-out thief, Jarrell Alexander, got minor injuries from this mess and was later found at a hospital. Would you have chased him with lawn tools or just called it a win? Have you ever fought back against thieves? Share your story in the comments. On February 12, 2024, in Norfolk, Virginia, a homeowner got a backyard alert that turned into an instant arrest. Now look here at this security footage. Someone entered a spare car parked in their backyard, triggering the alert. The homeowner quickly called police.
Moving there. Get out of the truck right now with your hands up. Back up. Show me your hands. Whatever. Do everybody wear ski masks when they drive? Wear ski masks when they drive.
Well, ask any questions. Get it back in the car. Check in, search him.
Hello.
Hey,
Yes.
could you do your vehicle back here? Would you just be willing to look in the back and just make sure nothing, you could, I don't know a bunch of stuff in it, but would you say, yeah, that's not mine, that is mine, real quick? I just don't want him dumping something in your car.
Okay.
That's all it is.
Okay. He wants to identify what's in the truck that's ours.
He was in the back of the car, we got him, but we just
Yeah, we seen him on the
radio.
radio.
Yeah,
That's
awesome.
why I called
I
911.
appreciate,
That's not a car thief. That's someone who forgot cameras exist. The intruder was caught and charged with trespassing. Fortunately, the homeowner was not harmed. Always enable backyard camera alerts. In Las Vegas, Nevada, an angry older woman tried opening someone's front door, kicked it, and started cursing.
Bring me my f***ing house.
Now look here at this doorbell footage. She's clearly agitated and acting erratically. Like, what's up with her? Seems like she might have some mental issues. Turns out, she did this at several other houses in the neighborhood too. Police got multiple calls about her antics, and she was quickly picked up. Hopefully, she got the help she needed. This duo tried to swipe someone's package in broad daylight, but instant regret hit faster than they expected. Now look here at this doorbell footage. The guy grabbed the package confidently, but then he tossed it right back. Maybe he saw the homeowner coming or noticed police nearby. That's not theft, that's panic mode activated. Either way, it's good he didn't get away with it. Would you chase package thieves or just let karma handle it? Share your porch pirate stories below. Late one night in Jacksonville, Florida, a Ring camera caught two pit bulls doing the unthinkable, attacking a Honda SUV like it personally offended them. Now look here at this Ring camera footage. Two pit bulls launched an attack on the vehicle, tearing it apart, piece by piece, and scattering parts all over the driveway. The owner, Christy Barr, woke up to find her vehicle almost destroyed, with damages close to $3,000. Looking for answers, she checked the footage and saw the dogs pulling at the car so hard that it moved.
On the video, you could see both of them tugging on it, and they were tugging so hard that my car moved.
The chaos was sparked by a neighborhood cat hiding in the SUV's engine compartment. It escaped unscathed. That's not a dog attack. That's vehicular manslaughter committed by pit bulls. The story was so out there that no one believed it until they saw the video.
Nobody believed me until they saw it on tape. It was just bizarre. Nobody believed that dogs would do that.
Whether the dogs were strays remains a mystery. Would you press charges against dogs for property damage or just accept that your car lost a fight to animals? Have you ever had pets destroy something unexpectedly? Share your story in the comments. In Little Rock, Arkansas, a guy tried breaking into someone's car, completely unaware he was being watched. Now look here at this security footage. He's caught mid-crime. He bolted when spotted.
Hey! 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 Where's my car? Come on! Listen to me when I'm calling you! You go out there. Go look at my car.
No! Get the f*** out of
Hey, look in the car. See if you're cooking it. Did you take anything?
No. Show me the video.
That's not stealth. That's getting caught on camera. He's lucky the car's owner didn't come out armed, or things could have turned much worse. Share your car break-in stories below. On February 17, 2024, in Fairfield, Alabama, a man approached a parked car and set it ablaze. All caught on camera. Now look here at this doorbell footage. A man walked up to a car outside a residence and deliberately set it on fire.
Hey! Hey! Man, somebody at my mother house. Just got through with that car. Jalen's car is on fire.
The homeowner shared the footage, expressing shock and stating she didn't recognize him. That's not vandalism. That's arson with zero disguise. A few days later, thanks to additional video from neighboring CCTV cameras, authorities arrested the suspect. Imagine committing arson in the age of doorbell cameras. Always share footage with police. In Oceanside, California, 2 guys broke into Copper Hill mailboxes around midnight. Mail theft caught on camera. Now look here at this security footage. These 2 swiped mail without hesitation. That's not organized crime. That's federal offense on Ring camera. The theft was reported to cops, but these 2 are still on the loose. Would you recognize these criminals if you saw them in your neighborhood? Drop tips in the comments. In Compton, a guy started trying doorknobs at an apartment, turning them so forcefully the resident had to hold the door shut.
Wrong door?
That's Ricky?
No.
Oh.
Wrong door. Wrong door, I'm sorry.
Now look here at this doorbell footage. He's aggressively testing the lock. That's not checking if someone's home. That's attempting forced entry. The incident was reported, but police didn't take action. Always lock and reinforce your doors. In Elgin, Illinois, this guy decided hanging out on someone's porch and messing with residents was a good idea. Now look here at this doorbell footage. He's on their porch harassing them. He ended up getting chased off. That's not friendly visiting. That's trespassing with attitude. Hopefully things didn't escalate and nobody ended up in a fight. Share your trespasser stories. 2 guys were working on their car in the driveway when an unexpected visitor gave them the scare of their lives. Now look here at this driveway footage. A dog wandered by out of nowhere. At first, they were startled, but then found it pretty amusing. That's not a guard dog. That's a neighborhood photobomber. Luckily, the dog didn't try to mess with them. Share your unexpected animal encounters. In San Francisco, thieves were driving around swiping license plates off cars, all caught on camera. Now look here at this security footage. Some thieves swipe a license plate quickly. The owner reported it to cops. That's not grand theft auto. That's petty theft with resale value. To avoid this, use anti-theft screws on your plates. These screws only turn one way, so you can't unscrew them without special tools. Secure your plates today. In Milwaukee, Wisconsin, some guys attempted breaking into a house, but cameras caught every move. Now look here at this footage. They didn't steal anything, but tried messing with the garage after wandering around. Here's another camera angle showing these trespassers leaving the property. That's not burglary. That's trespassing with documentation. These guys need to realize actions have consequences. If they'd broken into the wrong house, the homeowner might have taken drastic measures. Always secure your garage. Late at night in Little Rock, Arkansas, a guy was caught on doorbell cameras trying car doors. Now look here at this footage. He's testing every handle. The neighbors noticed, called cops, and reported him. That's not stealth. That's community watch winning. He ended up getting nabbed. Share your neighborhood watch stories. This woman tried grabbing a package from someone's front door, but the homeowner was faster. Now look here at this doorbell footage. She's caught mid-theft. The homeowner came outside and got his package back.
There was a package here, I think.
Sorry. I'm not gonna run off with it. I'm homeless. What should you do?
That's not porch piracy. That's instant justice. It's good to see her plan get shut down. Share your porch pirate stories.